Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Manish. Watching your tech and coding channel MyCodeWorks. So guys, in this video again we are going to complete the remaining 5 questions that yesterday I left over in previous video. So today we are going to cover the remaining one. So this is the part 2 video of the previous one. So let's continue with that one. Yesterday we covered first 5 questions. If you see here, these 5 questions I have covered in previous video. Now I will cover these 5 so that we can complete this whole video and you will get the overview how to check and solve these coding problems in interview. So let's start with this one. So we are going to solve this first fifth or sixth question, I can say. So first problem of today one, the problem is all about that check the prime number. You will be provided a prime number. You have to write a logic to check whether you will be given a number. You have to write the logic to check whether the given number is a prime number or not, right? So let me clear this one and let's move to the exact. Okay, so this is the code. I mean, this is the slide, right? So you will be given a prime number. Sorry, you will be given a number. You have to check that one, right? So let's directly jump into the coding part, and I will explain the logic here. So as you know that prime number is something which is divisible by only 1 and itself. So if any number is divisible by any of the number except 1 and itself, that is not a prime number. So let's check the logic here. I will write a method which will return as a boolean value to check whether the given number is prime or not. So let's write public static boolean is prime, and you will be given here as a number, and this will return as a prime, boolean value, right? So if the number that n is less than 1, then we should directly return as a 1 is not a prime number, so we should return as a false here. Return false, the first condition before going inside of the code. The second is like if it is greater than 1, right? So we have to start checking with from 2, right? So let's use a for loop here to iterate over the number. Like we can use int I equals to 2. It should start with 2, and that I will go less than n. It should not exceed itself, right? So it should be less than n I plus plus. And then if we are going to provide a condition, if n is divisible by I equals 0, then we'll provide a boolean. Let's define a boolean value here. So boolean each prime number equals to, I will put as a false. I will put as a false, right? If given number is a prime number, if it is a prime number, right? Let's put it as true, and if it is being divisible by any other number, we'll mark this is prime number as false. So it is divisible, then we'll mark it as not a prime number. At last we will return this value, return is prime number, and let's call this value. I will use one directly. I will use a number here, int n equals to 13. I will take an example, and I will use system dot out dot println and is prime method we have, right? And we have to provide the number. That number, let me pass it from here. Now I will run this code actually, and let's see whether the given number is a prime or not. Let me run this. So whether the 13 is a prime number or not, it will return as a true and false. So 13 is a prime number. Let's check 15, and then we should get as a false. 15 is not a prime number because 15 is divisible by 5 as well as 3. So it's not a prime number. We can check another, and also like I can use some other. 7 is also not divisible by anyone except 1 and 7. So this check whether the given number is prime number is also we are able to solve. Now I will move to next coding problem, that is write a Java program to count the number of characters in a given string. So basically we will provide a string, or I will take hello, right? So hello is a string here, string yes1. Now you have to write a code to count the number of characters. So suppose in hello h is 1, e 1, l 2 times, o 1 times. So these are the characters and their frequency in the string, given string. So you have to write the logic to calculate this one. So let's solve this problem. We can use hash map. We have hash map data structure, or we can say collection. We can use hash map to store key and corresponding value, and later on we can display the particular hash map that we used. So I will clear this now, and let's move to the VS Code. I will solve this. As of now, I will comment this out. This code should be commented out. And okay, so let's take a string here. String yes, hello. I will write hello, right? And then we have to use hash map. So let's define a hash map. Hash map, and this should be a character. Key as a character. CHAR character, INTER, and the value should be integer. And I will define as a hash map HM, right? And then new hash map of same, then this one. Now we have defined. Let's iterate over this string. How we are going to iterate over this string? We can use for loop here, and we'll use character C. Then I can use just dot to char array, which will convert the given string in array character array, and one by one we can iterate over this. We are using for loop as an enhanced for loop. Now we'll check whether the given character, like we are iterating one by one character, right? The given character already exists in the hash map or not. So the logic is, if it is already exists, we are going to get the previous value, and we are going to add one more to it. So suppose already h is present in between somewhere, and again we got another h, then what will you get? The value, the frequency of h already existed, and now another one. So we are going to get the previous value plus one, which will increase the count, right? So we are going to apply that logic here. We'll check whether the key already exists in the hash map or not, right? So we are going to check hm dot contains. We have one method contains key, and we'll pass c, right? So if it contains key, then what we are going to do? We are going to just get the value and increase the value, right? So, and again we are going to set that value in the hash map. hmap dot put method, we have to set the value. What we are going to put? We are going to put the particular key and the corresponding value. So we can use hmap dot get the existing value of c plus 1. If it is not there, let's write in else condition. If that character is not present in that hash map, at that case, this is the first time we are stacking, or we are getting the first character in the string, right, through the string. So we are going to simply add as a frequency 1. So let's say hm hash map dot put c of 1, and let's print out this hash map hm, which will print the character and their frequency in the given string, or count, I can say. So let me clear this one and let me run this code. So what we can expect is there is an issue. hm contains key, cannot find symbol. Okay, variable hm of type hash map charac character c. We are already importing util, cannot find. Okay, let me run it again. hm contains key, c hm hash map, new hash map of character of integer charact character c contains key. Let's just only use contains. Okay, so we'll use one method contains, and let's try out with this. hm dot contains, state is not returning the expected to char array. Okay, so we are using hm. I just removed that hm from that one, and what was the issue? It's still not clear, but I just removed the h from that hm, and then I just use em. Now you are able to print the expected output. As you can see here, we are getting e as 1 and h as 1 and l as 2. and O as 1. So these are the frequency of the given character in the given string. So we are also able to solve this problem. And let's move to next problem. Next problem is write a Java program to find the duplicates of the given string. So we'll find out the character which is kind of duplicate, I mean more than one in the given string. So we can use the same code that I just wrote for the previous problem, and we can just apply one method there, or we can use this method to find out the frequency is greater than or not. And if it is greater, then we can simply print out the that character as a duplicate character. Okay, so let's solve this problem in the same code itself. And then, so as we have one map, hash map here, what I will do, simply I will iterate over this hash map, or I can simply take a key set of character c as a we can use this map dot key set. We have one method which will return as a key set, or all the keys in the set which does not contain the duplicate keys. And then we can iterate over this cha ractr character c ch and then c. Okay, so we'll use this one as a if m dot get c h, if the count is greater than 1, if the count is greater than 1, then we are going to print the corresponding we are going to print the mch plus and then their corresponding value m dot get of ch. So let's run this once again. I will clear this screen and let's run this. So here it should print L as a output here. As you can see, L is duplicate in the given string. So L is repeated 2 times, 1 and 2. That's why we are able to solve the problem, as we are getting the L as 2, and the count is also we are able to print it here. Just need to use this key set to get the unique values, and we can easily iterate over this the key set and check whether the count is greater than 1 or not. So this problem also we are able to solve. Now let's move to the next problem. We have one swapping of two number. Swapping of two number, basically we are not going to, you are given a number 10, suppose a, b, 20. We have to swap this number without using temp variable. We are not going to use temp variable. So how we can use this one? So there is a formula, or simply we can use the plus and minus operator to swap this number, right? So a equal to a plus b, a is equal to a minus b, and b equals to a minus b. This will just replace these values with each other or swap the values. How we can see? A equals to a plus b. A means 10 plus 20 is equal to 30, and a again means a minus b, 30 minus b means what? B was the 21, right? 20. B, sorry, this would be b, this would be b, and this would be a. Okay, so it again we are assigning it to b. 30 minus 20 is equal to 10. So b have now 10, and again a minus b. So a is 30 and b is how much? 20. 10. We just assign b is a 10. So how much we will get? 20. So a is equal to 20 and b is equal to 10. So now this swapped each other. Now a have 10, a have 20 and b have 10. So let's solve this problem. Just need to write 2 to 3 character or 2 to 3 lines. That's it. I will just comment out this code. Just let me comment out this code. Okay. So int a is equal to 10, int b 20, a equals to a plus b, b equals to a minus b, a equals to a minus b. System.out.println and a as plus a plus b b plus b, and let's run this. So as of now I have assigned a as 10 and b as 20. Now you can see a is 20 and b is 10. So we are also able to solve this problem. Let's move to the last problem. We are able to solve total 4 questions as of now. And last we have a problem that you will be given we have to reverse an array, right? So 1 2 3 4 5, we are provided this one, we have to reverse this array, and we can use the while loop to reverse this. We can just switch with, or we can swap this number 2 and this, and 3 with the 3 itself, right? So we'll get the 5 4 3 2 1. Okay, so let's do one thing. I will clear this one, and let's move to, I will comment this out, or I can use this one also. Okay, let's do one thing, and I will use a array here, int arr new 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. For, we can use while loop. I will use the I and j here indexes, int I comma I equals to 0 0 int j comma j equals to arr dot length minus 1, I is less than j. Until while I is less than j, we can do one thing, int temp equals to, int temp is equal to array of I equals to array of j equals to temp I plus plus j minus minus. And then for int n arr, and we can iterate over this system dot out dot println print n space last name. Okay, so let's run this code. What I did, I just use I and j two pointer value to just swap the first and last. So let's run this, and we should get the expected output. As you can see here, 5 4 3 2 1. Earlier we have provided the given array in 1 2 3 4 5. Now we are able to get the array in 5 4 3 2 1 reverse order. So that's all, and we are able to solve all the today 5 coding problems that I left yesterday. So I hope you understood the questions and the problems that I use, and that solutions also that I provided to you. If you have any doubt, if you have any questions, please reach out me through comment section, as well as you can also DM me on my Instagram. I will help you out. And thanks for watching this video. Please refer and share with your friends who want to learn and want to prepare for interview for QA and automation testing, as well as SDET, either fresh or experience. So thanks for watching this video. We'll meet in this video with new content. Till that, bye.